And today we're talking about how to remove audio file from your videos. Right, so maybe you made something on your phone or want to make a clip or etc, but you don't know how to remove the audio, right? So the easiest way, right, which I'm using for a while, we're gonna use Adobe Premiere Pro. So you're gonna start a new file, right? So it's a new page. After that you need to add your video. For example, I already prepared some videos. Just drag it in there. Okay, there you go. So as you can see, right, video and audio, they're separately, right? And if you would like to delete something, right, maybe cut it, it's actually gonna delete both sides, right? So for example, press delete. Alright, so if you want to delete only the audio from your file, basically you need to choose, it's either entire clip or only a part of it. Press the right button on your mouse and just press unlink. After that you can select only the video or only the audio. You can use the right button, you can just press delete. There you go, mission complete. In our next video we're gonna talk how to add or maybe record your own audio, right? But today it's only about deleting, right? So after you can press file and other save the project or export the video file, the media one, right? So since we just deleted, right, so format is 264 and here you can choose, I mean depends where you're gonna post it, right? It's gonna be different size. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to know more of my videos, please subscribe. Thank you.